Hi guys, welcome to the Watching Whale, where we watch the cryptocurrency whales to make predictions in the market. Now, we start off here by talking about a project called e.rplanet. I like this project. I've bought a couple things, and the whole game of this really happens on the generator here, where you can make elements. And what will happen is if 600 hasn't been made, you will craft, you will get an NFT that mines their coin. So I've crafted a couple of these here. I got an uncommon on here, and what we'll do at the end is I'll probably open, I've got one of these that I crafted today. We'll unpack that and see where it goes. First of all, let's start off. So you can get your NFTs by crafting. What you also get is the FTs. Now what happens is, say you have glasses and glasses is used in another recipe, then you will have the FT as well. If we go over to Simple Market, we can see our FTs in our inventory. It shows you what I've crafted. So I also have the NFT and the FT. Okay guys, this is a little confusing for some people. So what happens is, if that 600 is already there, you don't get an NFT anymore. You just get a token. Okay, moving on. You can see they have the lands and Atomic Hub, and what the lands do right now is they mint minerals, and I'm assuming what's going to happen is it might be something like the generator, or maybe you generate these minerals together. There's 4 of them to make robots, so that's what they're saying. Alright guys, now I think this project's really good because I'm actually addicted to it. I've been crafting, I've been spending way too much money. You know how I justified that is because I did get lucky. I got an epic land. This is my epic. I got an uncommon land and a common land. So those were, and they were worth a good amount of money, and I only paid $300 because I did get in on their pre-sale, and I was on the whitelist because, by the way, I was crafting with the generator, which was one of the requirements. So I'm very addicted, and it's actually not a good thing. I've been crafting over and over and probably spending a little too much money, and this is why I really think this game is going to take off, guys, because it is so addicting, and people are doing this every day. And what you can do once you stake your coin, and you see all these projects, this is one of the big things about e.rplanet. Everyone seems to know it, but for those of you who don't, all these projects you can stake. I'm sticking, and I recommend you stick to the e.rplanet NFTs. It just seems to be the best bet for me. Again, this is what I have staked. This is what I'm getting per hour. People are doing a lot better than this. This is what I have saved up right now because I just did the oxygen this morning. Now what you can do with that coin is go over to Alcore. You can sell it. Okay, now a lot of people don't know there's also a swap option on Alcore. This looks a lot like Uniswap. This is more my trading style. I just don't know if there's enough liquidity on there, which it seems there's a decent amount to support this. See, it's always going back and forth. So if I wanted 3 million Aether, then it would tell me I would need that much wax, and I'd be able to swap that. Okay, so that's for liquidity. Anyway, same way. It's going to want me to connect the wall. I'm not going to do that. So, alright guys, I'm going to try to keep this short. I have one more thing to cover, and that is we have this Google form, and that does show all your rewards for the NFTs that have been discovered. Now people are burning a lot with Aether because some of these aren't discovered yet. If we go to here, all elements, these aren't discovered, guys. So you have to try to guess a combination in here, and if you don't get it right, these go away. Now these are your FTs that you need to do this, not the NFTs. Remember that. So what we'll do is I'll show you a little more simple market, because you could take this sheet, and what I could do if I wanted to was go and sell. I could sell my NFT, my unopened NFT, because what happens and why sometimes it's not worth crafting, it's a risk reward type thing. I have this pack, I don't know what it's going to be. We'll know soon. I don't know if it's going to be a common, an uncommon, a mythic, an epic, or whatnot. So what's going to happen here is I could actually sell that pack as it is on, oh here we go, on Simple Asset before I know what it is. And there's other people doing this, guys. So I think the price here needs to come down. I see a couple people are selling Sandstorm. Now you can make Sandstorm for that much wax, I believe, and you get the FT as well. You know, it might be good for someone who wants a salt and salt is full and they can open a salt pack. Barrel's almost full. But what I would do, guys, is now that's going to cost you $100. I go back into my Google Sheet, I check salt. Okay, now the most I can get when a rare chance is 800 an hour. 200. So is that worth the $100 risk to only be at, if you get a rare, only 10% chance? So you got to figure this out yourself. This is how this game is really played. There's a lot of math figuring out what you can buy. Also, a lot of times, sometimes you can buy the FTs here. These are the NFT packs only. Atomic Hub has your already made NFTs when you would go to Elements and you can click Rarities, Epic. Now that's what an Epic Dust is going for. So now you can do your math again, go Dust, go over to your sheet, define Dust, wherever it is. You guys, you get the picture here. So Epic Dust, so that gives you 500 an hour. Actually, no, that's Mythic, excuse me. So we're looking Epic, 60 an hour. Now they're selling that for $160. Doesn't really seem like a good deal to me, so I'm not gonna buy that. I buy things that I think are great deals. And guys, first of all, this is not financial advice. I don't want to encourage you to buy anything, especially if you don't have the money. This is very addictive, and this game does seem a little bit of a form of gambling here. So I even have to be careful myself, because I'll end up putting in a lot of my money, and I'll say, well, oh geez, well, I only crafted commons, and now it's gonna take me forever to get that back. So guys, have fun playing this game. Another thing I'll show you real quick, I have a list of links here, and I'll just show you this quickly. I believe it's right here. I thought I had it on the screen. Sorry about that. I'm not going to give this video any editing. I'm just going to post it live of what I did as a screen recording. So here is your recipes, and you can do the tried recipes. So if you want to invent something, you can look at everything else people have tried. Probably a good thing to do before you start inventing, don't you think? Okay, successful recipes. The last one, Sandstorm. That's how much it cost. This is how much the tequila cost. A little bit of a cheaper one there to craft. When they came out with salt, this filled out only 70,000. That was gone in an instant. So these lower value ones, you know, this one here, the island, that went quickly. Everything that's lower value goes quickly. These higher value ones, I mean, this is going to cost you 3,500 wax at a market price of 25 cents. You guys can do the math on your own, but it is a lot. So guys, I'm going to end the video here, and I will open that pack. I'm just going to go ahead and revisit my video, make sure everything's okay, and open the pack for you guys, and wish me luck. Thank you. Alright guys, and here is the moment we've all been waiting for. Thank you for watching. I wanted to mention someone did do, there's pools, crafting pools, where people are pooling their Aether so that they can all go in together on this and having a pool wallet. So it might be an option for some people, and I'm going to look into starting one. There is a current pool on the Telegram now. Anyway, here we go. Of course. I actually think this is good luck. Last time I did this on the land, I had something happen. Let's see here. And we got an uncommon, okay. That made it worth it. Not anything crazy, but we did get an uncommon. So we're gonna claim it and we're gonna stake it. And there's another 1,000 an hour. So not bad. Not bad ROI on that. And that's the chance you take, guys. So if I would have got a common, it would not have been good. But we